Here we are, leaving our stateroom. We're in 336. Third deck. This is our hallway. Pretty narrow, but that's because the ship is very narrow because we're on a river cruise.
My hair almost touches the roof.
So the ship has to be low so we can go under all the bridges along the river.
How many decks are there?
4?
4 decks, yeah, I think you're right.
There's only 2 decks with guest cabins, deck 2 and deck 3. Deck 4 is the sun deck, and deck 1 is crew. So, relatively small boat, which is what allows us to get in and out of all these river ports very easily. So as we come out, this is the library, the main stairs, little business center. On either side, you can go out and go up to the sun deck, which we'll do in just a few minutes. Coming down this way is the lounge area. Free coffee and snack station. Oh, it's been replenished.
Ooh, cookies.
Good afternoon, welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh, madam, I'm camera shy.
Oh, it's okay. Only a few million of your closest friends will see it. Don't even worry. Here we are in the lounge. Nice bar. Pasquale. Our favorite musician on board. And out on the Aquavit deck, they're serving some lunch. We'll check that out in just a minute. Leaving the lounge, coming out and going down the main staircase. Oh, no, you're fine. Thank you. Oh, it's all good. This is the main lobby. This is where we get on and off the ship. Little, we'll call it a gift shop, and the main desk. And then back behind us is the restaurant. Oh, let's see what's for lunch today. Red lentil and coconut milk soup, Cuban sandwich, salad, carbonara. Sounds good. Looking forward to it. And this is our main dining room where we eat lunch and dinner.